RSD T-bar, wheel lock, signed speaker strobe. Fire alarm tour, short fire alarm tour of this weird clubhouse building. Wheel lock alarm on the ceiling. There's exit signs all over the place. Unknown light bar. A speaker. Fire extinguisher. A Cerberus Pyrotronics pull station. Up there is like a wheel lock alarm. I have no idea what wheel lock alarms that is. It's their wheel lock speaker strobes. Judging by the holes in them, they're obviously wheel lock speaker strobes. I do not know what model alarms they are. And another speaker up there. Sort tour.